Hello, everyone. In today's session, you will understand what a production order is. The objective enables you to understand the production order and its associated terms in the context of business processes. Before generating a production order in Onfinity ERP, a configured tenant is required. Organizations should be configured, product categories and products should be defined, and manufacturing setup such as routing and production classification should be completed. Now understand what a production order is. A production order is a formal document in a manufacturing or ERP system that authorizes and tracks the production of a specific quantity of a product. It defines what to produce, how much to produce, and when to produce, and acts as the execution plan for manufacturing operations. There are two types of production in Onfinity ERP. Make-to-order, where production is initiated based on a specific customer order, and make-to-stock, where production is initiated based on anticipated demand or inventory requirements. There are different ways to create a production order. One method is through material requirement planning, where it is automatically generated based on planning results. Another method is manual creation, where you can enter the production order directly in the system. You can also create it with a sales order reference for customer demand, or without a sales order reference for stock or internal requirements. Now move to the system to create a production order. From the landing page, you can navigate to Manufacturing Management, then Manufacturing Transactions, and open Production Order. Click on New Record to create a production order. You can select the organization, choose the production order type, select production classification, enter document number, and document date. You can define the schedule start date and time, for example, starting on a specific date at 9 a.m. You can select the warehouse and locator where manufacturing will take place. You can set priority such as urgent, high, medium, or low. You can select the source. If it is linked to a sales order, you can choose Sales Order and select the relevant order line. If it is for regular production, you can directly select the product. When you select the product, the system automatically picks up the bill of material and routing. If multiple options are available, you can change them. You can then enter the production quantity, for example 50 units, select the supervisor, and save the record. After saving, you can enter additional details if required, such as business partner, project, and representative. Then you can click on Populate Production Details button. You can review operation details. You can see operations such as assembly and quality inspection. Each operation is linked to a work center and supervisor. You can see setup time and runtime per unit for each operation. For each operation, you can check material requirements by opening material details. You can see required materials such as chassis, engine, headlights, seat, and tires, along with required quantities. If needed, you can modify the quantities. You can also check resource requirements for each operation. This helps you understand which resources are needed for production. Once all details are verified, you can move back to the main screen. After creating the production order, you need to move it to the Prepare stage. If the period is closed, you need to open the period first. Then you can click on Prepare to start the production process. The document status changes to In Progress. In this way, you can create and process a production order in Onfinity ERP. If you want to learn how production orders are generated through MRP, you can refer to the MRP session. That is all in this session. Thank you for attending.